In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule Facebook stories in Meta Business Suite. First, open your browser and go to business.facebook.com. Sign into the account that manages your page. If you work with more than one business, make sure you're in the correct Business Suite workspace so the right assets are available. Next, select your Facebook page. You'll see the page name and profile image in the sidebar. That confirms you're working in the right place. Having the proper page role, like admin or editor, is important because scheduling isn't available to every role. To start a story, you have two equally good paths. From the home dashboard, click Create Story. Or if you prefer to see everything on a calendar, open Planner, then click Create and choose Story. Both paths bring you to the Story Composer where you'll set everything up. In the Composer, choose Facebook as your destination so the story is scheduled to your Facebook page. This ensures it goes to your professional story rather than a personal profile. Now upload your image or video. For best results, use a vertical 9:16 format so it fills the screen, and keep key text away from the edges to avoid cropping. Short, high-contrast captions and clear branding work well. If you're using video, make sure the file plays smoothly with sound off, since many viewers watch silently. Give your media a moment to upload and render, and use the preview to confirm it looks the way you expect. When your creative is ready, click Schedule. Pick the date and time you want the story to go live. Choose a time zone that matches your audience, and aim for a window when followers are typically active. If you're experimenting, schedule a few different times over multiple days and compare results later in Insights. Avoid selecting a past time or a slot only a minute away, which can cause scheduling errors. Finally, click Schedule again to confirm. You'll see a confirmation message, and the story will appear on your planner with a scheduled status. If you need to make changes before it's published, you can return to the planner to adjust the time or replace the media. That's it, you've gone from Business Suite to a fully scheduled Facebook story in just a few clicks. Keep your files organized, maintain consistent branding, and review the preview before locking in your schedule. Thanks for watching and happy planning.